Hi guys! So, dati ginupitan ko siya. Ito na yung take 2. Second try. Tara, let's go! Kaso mamumuti. Anak, polvo mo. Sa inyo, sobrang legit na tayo ngayon. Pero nang, sobrang legit. Namumuti din ba yung damit mo pag nasa barbero ka? Hindi ka siya. Konti yung tissue. Guys, di na garbage bag. Dati garbage bag. Haritsu. What? Now you see me, now you know. Yeah. Si Owe. Yes. Let's go. Bilisan na natin. Saan lang gusto may gupit? Gupit maayos. Ganito na ulit lang yung gupit natin. Magsalita ako. Masaya ka dun sa dati mong video. Ano na yung magsalita? Ayun, ano siya? Wala pa rin spray yan.
Okay, cancel yung video. Ano ko mamaya?
Saan yung ate mo?
Hindi ko alam, ikaw yung barbero eh. Hindi pa yun.
Paano nga alam ko ate mo? Saan yung ate mo?
Hindi na.
Yung ko yun. Ganyan lahat yan. Ito yun. Final na yan. Ganyan. Hindi ka ba mukhang bakla? Ayan.
Ikaw bahala. Pwede mo namang gitna yan. Pwede mo namang gilid.
Hindi mo masyadong gilid. Ano parang medyo ganyan.
Mas marunong pa siya sa legit na barbero.
O, sige, susundin ko. Oo, Hindi ko na nga. Ba't na sila itong spray? Magupit na tayo. Ay, love.
I did it.
Ay, love.
I did it.
Very good.
Ayaw. Dalawang spray lang.
Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Naalala niyo pa ba yung video na cutting my boyfriend's hair? Kung oo, thank you so much. You're an OG. Sa mga hindi, panoodin niyo muna. And subscribe na din kayo. Hopefully, we can reach 1,000 subscribers. Kaya ba? We're currently at around 145 subscribers. I know it's a long way to go. And it wouldn't be possible without your help. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So, anyway, going back to the video. We were so charismatic, full of energy. Our physique was so different. If you'll notice, Michael was so nervous. Sobrang kaba niya. Siyempre, it's my first time cutting his hair. Our hair makes us look and feel good. And it directly affects our confidence. Di ko nga alam kung paano ko siya napapahayag. Maybe he did it out of love. Now, after so many years, the world has changed. His love is still there. Maybe a bit deeper than before. It may not seem like it, but his faith in me grew. Kaya siguro sobrang chill lang siya ngayon. Tingnan niyo, tulog pa nga, nag-headbang pa. Ang gaan daw kasi ng kamay ko. I honestly don't know kung anong gagawin ko sa hair niya. I want Superman style. Something sleek, but it seems weird on him right now kasi faded yung hair niya before and it's still a bit too short. right now. So, binago ko yung style. Now, our peg is something like Oppa style. Yung may hati sa gitna, very 90s or K-drama vibes. So, if you know, you know. Recently, my appreciation on uploaded videos grew. Dati di ko gets yung sinasabi nila na, ay, nag-upload lang ako sa YouTube for memories, ganyan. Pwede naman kasi i-replay sa phone and sometimes nahihiya talaga ako pag naririnig ko yung boses ko. Pero iba. Iba pala kapag na-edit mo yung videos and mababalikan mo siya anytime. Iba yung feeling na masashare or marirelive mo yung moment kasama yung loved ones mo. Anyways, in a world that's so noisy and fast, I hope you'll find peace and appreciate the people that stayed and became a lesson. Believe in your vision and someday you won't notice it, but your dreams will be your reality. So anyways, nagustuhan niyo ba yung haircut? Sana nagustuhan din niya. Okay naman pala eh.
Kaya nga. Nice naman yun.
Harap ka nga sa akin naman. Ayan na guys, tapos natin ako. 30-minute haircut. Picture tayo, dali, picture tayo.